Just wanted to bring you an unboxing video. Got home from work today and an order from eBay arrived. It's pretty beat up. There's definitely some obvious tears on the box. So should be a total of 11 locks in here. So let's hope they're all there. That is a heavy box. 13 pounds of locks, guys. And it's only 11 locks. So just getting this guy cut open. You already see some goodness there. You can tell we have some big old padlocks. First off, this is a Luster line model 821, made in Taiwan. The shackle's not froze up, so it actually might be pickable. I've got a American Series 700. Very free shackle. I might even try to pick this one on camera. I might. It depends on how I feel at the end. Or that, or I might try to pick this on camera because it's a master lock. Discus lock. Oh, let's see here. Well, let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the way. You can tell by the keyway, that's a dimple lock. And, yep, it's a multi-lock. It's my very first multi-lock. I don't have a key for it. Hopefully I can get one made for it. I'll take it to my locksmith if I ever get it picked. Alright, I've got a American 600. The shackle's nice and loose. Core's pretty tight though. No movement. I'm not seeing any movement when I do that. So I might have to soak that one with some WD-40 before I pick it. Got another disc lock. This one has no name. Stainless steel, no name. Probably just a cheap made in China lock. It's even kind of separating up here at the top. Come on, stop going out of focus, camera. A tubular lock, kryptonite. That'll be interesting to get into. I can make myself a little tubular tensioner that'll go in right there. I've never picked a tubular lock before, so that should be pretty fun. Okay, I've got another Series 600. The shackle's nice and loose. And a little play in the core, so I might be able to get into that one without much soaking. There's the date code on the back of it. Okay, a Black & Decker. Really loose shackle, made in China. Another American Series 600. Nice loose shackle. Real tight core. That thing's not wanting to move, so I'll probably have to soak it too. And last but not least, we've got another American 600. The shackle's loose, and the core's loose. So there we go. That's a nice little bunch of padlocks there. So let's count them, make sure I got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So I've got all 11. So the damaged packaging didn't lose anything. So I'm at 4 minutes. And you can see the cheapest lock here, maybe. I want to attempt to pick it on camera. So my blind picking skills aren't nearly as good as, say, pickers like Red Eye or Pick Me or Bosnian Bill or some of the other good pickers out there. Heck, even West Coast Picks have started picking them out of the package. So I'm going to use this homemade pry bar. It's actually a little bit loose. Let's see if this one fits in there tighter. Yeah, that one fits in there tighter. All right. And I'm going to start out with this homemade pick here. So, let me just bring my light in just a little bit closer for you. Pin 1's binding. Okay, pin 1's picked, I believe. Pin 2's binding. Back to pin 1. Nope. Pin 2. Nope. Okay, click out of 3. Click out of 4. Okay, maybe I overset something, so let's go at it again. Pin 1, pin 3, and pin 1's all the way back down. Pin 4, pin 5. Okay, a little turn on the core right there. A little counter rotation, I got a false set. So at least there's some security pins in here. Loosen up on my tension, figure out who my feedback's coming from. It feels like it's right there. And I've lost my false set. I've got no feedback on any pin. They're all bound. They're all bound about the same. Sorry, not talking a whole lot. I was sitting there thinking about the pins. The feedback I'm getting off of these pins is minute. Okay, I've got my false set again. Just trying to figure out who wants to be set. Pin 2, no feedback, that's just a core moving. Okay, there was some feedback on 3 there, and I pushed them up, but it didn't seem to get me anywhere. Okay, I've got my false set. Okay, pin 2, no feedback. 3 is up. Tiny bit of feedback on 5. And that's about it. Okay, got to click off a 3 coming forward. Okay, I've got my false set again. But the odd thing is, I'm not feeling any kind of rotation on any of the pins. Maybe you're right here, a little counter rotation. Okay, and I heard a couple pins drop. For a made in China lock, not too bad as far as pick resistance goes. Okay, just got to click off a 1. Click off a 2. There we go, that was off a 5. Dang, this cheap little Black & Decker put up a fight. It is no spring loaded on the shackle. It is ball buried, so it's not shimmable. It's heavy steel, so I guess China actually did a halfway decent job on this lock. All right, everyone, that's my latest eBay purchase. Looks like it turned out to be a pretty decent one. I'm going to have some fun with these. Probably turn a few of them into challenge locks, stick the rest of them in my shelf. So everyone, please stay safe, don't do anything illegal, and please like and subscribe.